Welcome to today's video. I am glad you are here. In this tutorial, we will explore how to choose whether to back up images, videos, or both in the IMO app. This will help you manage your storage and ensure that your important media files are safely saved. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. After entering Settings, tap on Chat. Then, from the list of options, tap on Chat Backup. Finally, you will see options that allow you to select whether you want to back up images, videos, both, or none. Simply pick the choice that best suits your needs and confirm your selection. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others. Thank you so much for watching.